1. Change the batteries. Check the batteries. Make sure you have fresh batteries put into your remote. If you know the batteries are new, double-check that the batteries are placed properly, with the positive and negative ends fitted securely. 2. Check the IR signal. Make sure your remote is sending an IR signal. This is an infrared light that you can't see, but you can use the camera on your phone to detect it. Point the remote at your camera and hold the power button. On your camera, check for a colored light coming from the remote. 3. Check the remote's Bluetooth. Check the Bluetooth signal. If your Magic Remote isn't responding, it most likely lost its Bluetooth signal. To check, press and hold home and back buttons for 5 seconds to deregister the remote. Turn Bluetooth on your smartphone and search for a new device. Press OK on your remote. If the remote isn't showing up, the Bluetooth capability may be damaged. You may need to order a replacement remote. 4. Reset the remote. Factory reset the remote. This process will vary depending on your device. Magic Remote 2021 and later press and hold home and settings for 5 seconds. The LED will blink 3 times. Magic Remote 2021 and earlier press and hold guide for 5 seconds. The LED will blink 3 times. Press the wheel button to register it again. Magic Remote, no guide button, press home and back for 5 seconds. The LED will blink 3 times. Press the wheel button to register it again. 5. Move other devices away. Move any conflicting devices. If you have routers or other devices too close to your TV, it may interfere with the radio frequency. Try moving these devices a few feet away from your TV, and then try using your remote again. 6. Restart your TV. Unplug your TV and plug it in again. Wait about 30 seconds after unplugging it. Once it's turned back on, try using your remote again. 7. Order a replacement. Purchase a new remote. If all else fails, you can purchase a new remote.